Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. And in today's video we are going to cover Arbitrum Nova. Counts for the airdrop or not? Like you know, I have been doing videos about the possible airdrop of Arbitrum. You can see here step by step on how to participate for this. This is still speculation. There are not official rules on how to get into the airdrop, but based on what Optimisim did with the community, I did that step by step, so you can already start doing it and using the Arbitrum ecosystem. Just in case if they give an airdrop, you will be already set when they take the snapshot. So check that video if you didn't saw it. But in today's video I'm going to cover another new thing that you may need to do in order to get into the airdrop. Is participating in the Arbitrum Nova ecosystem. I will cover what is that, how to get that network, how to participate, how to bridge everything on that, and how to do a swap so you get transactions on that. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Guys, like you know, I have been doing these videos to get up into the possible airdrop of Arbitrum. Optimism did it in May, June, and for sure I think Arbitrum is going to do it eventually. It wasn't after the Nitro update at the beginning of the month, but I really think that before the end of the year we are going to have real news about the Arbitrum airdrop. But for that you need to consider that when they announce that, they probably have been announcing a snapshot for the community before that date. So you cannot wait too much in order to participate. That is why I recommend you to check these two videos. This Arbitrum airdrop coming, when I explain everything about the airdrop and the possibility, comparing what happened with Optimism, how you can earn $20,000 like many people did with the Optimism airdrop. And here is in another video, Arbitrum airdrop guide step by step. I go with all the steps exactly how you want to apply what I say in the other video, how you can do everything possible in your power to get participation in the possible airdrop. So check those videos before doing this video, because this is like a new video of another thing that you will need to do. But first check the airdrop guide step by step. So going directly to the video without losing anything more time here, let's check what Arbitrum Nova is, because you need to know that before participating. So Nova Arbitrum is the second Ethereum layer 2 chain. Has just been released. This was in August when that was released. And Arbitrum Nova is a new chain primarily designed for gaming and social applications. The chain is designed for high volume projects searching for secure, affordable solutions. According to Arbitrum, access has been granted to more than 100 development teams. It also uses a data availability committee, and initial members include ConsenSys, FTX, Google Cloud, Off-Chain Labs, Peer-to-Peer, QuickNode, and Reddit. So a very new important chain of Arbitrum has been launched. The normal Arbitrum blockchain is called Arbitrum 1, and now we have the update of Arbitrum Nitro. But this is Arbitrum Nova, which is a different chain. So remember that. In order to participate in the airdrop is for the community and always has been a way that you use the ecosystem. So in the videos that I did, I mentioned everything about the Arbitrum 1 blockchain. But here I will show you how to participate and do any transactions in the Arbitrum Nova network, so you can also be sure that if that is a requirement for the airdrop, you have been already do it. So nova.arbitrum.io is the website. You can go here and you can click here on Bridge to Nova. That will send you to the bridge where we need to go. But before that, you can go to chainlist.org and you can search here for Arbitrum, and you will see the three chains that we have here. Arbitrum 1, which is the layer 2 solution for Ethereum, which is normally called Arbitrum only. So if you don't have that net into your Metamask, you need to click here in Connect Wallet and add it. Like you can see here, I have Arbitrum 1 here, but I don't have Arbitrum Nova. So I will click Connect Wallet. You can see how it's pumping my Metamask stuff. So you click on connect everything, And once you are connected, you click here in Add to Metamask. So you can add the network name, network URL, the chain, everything approved. Click here, approve, and switch to network. Once you do that, you are going to see here that you are in Arbitrum Nova now. You can see now that I have added Arbitrum Nova into my Metamask. So that is the first step. The second step is going to the bridge. You need to go to the bridge and change Ethereum into Arbitrum Nova. Like you can see here, I have here from Arbitrum Nova into Mainnet. You need to change that. So you are going to send balance from Ethereum Mainnet into Arbitrum Nova. If you click here, you can see the options. Arbitrum 1, which is a normal layer of Arbitrum, so I don't want to change that. Or you can send it to Arbitrum Nova. In this case, you need to select Arbitrum Nova. So I will send here like the max that I have here. Let's say, yeah, the maximum that I can. So once you put that, you will see the fees, the gas fee that you have, the total amount, how much you are going to receive. Then you need to sign this. You will be switching network from Arbitrum Nova to Ethereum Mainnet to do that. Once you have that, you need to confirm the transaction here. And then you will need to wait. You can see here how it's moving from Ethereum to Arbitrum Nova. This actually will take really 10 minutes. So you can see here the layer 1 transaction is pending, the layer 2 transaction is pending. Now you need to wait for this. Guys, once those 10 minutes pass it, you can go here and check again into your wallet. You can see here that now I have Ethereum into the balance of Arbitrum Nova. So once you do that, again, you can see here in the portal.arbitrum.io/Nova. These are the projects that are already supported into the Nova chain. Of course, there are many less projects than in Arbitrum 1. But like you can see here, we have ArbSwap, and this is introducing a Nova accelerator. So there are many news that the Arbitrum Nova will grow a lot. Remember, this is more specific for gaming and social media projects to get more scalability, more power. But for the purpose of the video, we are going to go into one of the swaps projects here, for example, RCP swap. And what I want to do is, if I am already in my Metamask wallet, I want to be not in Ethereum, but in Arbitrum Nova. I have a little bit of Ethereum there. So I'm going to connect my wallet here in rcpswap.com. Connect with Metamask. Of course, I need to connect and accept everything here. Now that I am connected, you know that I am in Nova. You can see here the same balance. And now I will select the token here. And as you can see, there are not many tokens right now here. I will just move some Ethereum into brick. So I will put 0.001. You can see all the information here. Ethereum into DAI, DAI into brick. I will swap this, confirm the swap, confirm the transaction, and that is done. So I will add brick into my Metamask and I will view the Explorer of Arbitrum Nova. You can see this is nova-explorer.arbitrum.io. So you can see that the transaction details are confirmed. And this is what you need to do. I will do it time to time, at least wait 24 hours from one time to another. But this is a transaction that is already confirmed and registered in the Arbitrum Nova chain. That is what you want to do in order to have a transaction done in the Arbitrum Nova. We don't know if we are going to need this, but I will do it anyways. You can see that I put very little money here from Ethereum into Arbitrum Nova. So you can just do small transactions over time. So you can be considered part of the community as a user of Arbitrum Nova. We don't know if that will be one of the requirements for the airdrop, but like I mentioned in the other videos, I am doing everything possible to be one of the biggest in the list of the airdrop distribution. So that is all for the video, guys. You can have here the confirmation of your transaction on the Arbitrum Nova chain. So I recommend you to do it one day per transaction, the same for Arbitrum 1. And these are the step-by-steps to doing this, guys. That is all for the video. If you like it, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get a notification, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.